Hello, today we will guide you through how to set margins for printing in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open your sample presentation. This will give you a file to work with while you adjust the settings for printing. With the presentation on screen, move to the top left area of PowerPoint and click on Design. This tab contains the layout and sizing options for your slides, and it's the place where you'll make the key adjustment that affects how your content fits on the printed page. Next, look toward the top right and click on Slide Size. When that menu opens, choose Custom Slide Size. This is where you can control the overall dimensions of your slides. While PowerPoint doesn't use traditional print margin settings in the same way a word processor does, changing the slide size helps you prepare your presentation so it prints more cleanly and fits the page the way you want. In the slide size settings, click on the slide size options and select the size you need. Choose the format that best matches how you plan to print, such as a standard or widescreen layout, depending on your printer and paper setup. This step is important because the size of the slide influences how much white space appears around the content when printed. After selecting the appropriate size, click OK to apply the change. PowerPoint may adjust the layout slightly depending on the size you selected, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on how the content appears after the update. Once that is done, go to the top left again and click on File. From there, click on Print. This opens the Print Preview area where you can review how the slides will look on paper. The preview is especially useful because it helps you confirm whether the spacing and positioning look right before you actually print. If the preview looks good, then your slide sizing is set up for printing. If needed, you can go back and repeat the slide size adjustment until the printed layout matches what you want. Taking a moment to check this in advance can help avoid clipped content or unexpected spacing on the final page. And that's how to set margins for printing in PowerPoint by adjusting the slide size and checking the print preview.